Hello everybody, welcome back to another story time. Now with the weather turning more and more chilly, we all hope for snow. So I thought I'd do a story all about sleeping through the cold winter with lots of snow outside. And this story is called The Bear Snores On. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're all sitting comfortably and you're ready. Here we go. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. The mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and let's dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own little lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. The bear gnaws and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've sneaked into my lair. You've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping. And I've had none." And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps and gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales that last through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. Now, I hope you enjoyed that one. And if you like the story, you can find all my other stories on YouTube on Mr. G Storytime with Mr. G. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to share it with all your friends as well. Okay? See you soon. Take care. Bye.